So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lavender white chocolate mocha ice latte. This is going to be great. And I've got my Javy Coffee Concentrate. This is an amazing coffee concentrate. So you guys are going to love this one. We're going to start making the lavender syrup first. So you start with 1 cup of water. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of dried or fresh lavender flowers. And we're going to bring this to a boil and then add our sugar. So 3 tablespoons of lavender. Let me just show you guys though what it looks like. And it smells so good. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and bring this now to a boil. And then we'll add our sugar. Okay, now we're at a boil, so we're gonna add 2 cups of sugar. We're gonna stir and bring this to a simmer. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. Now we're going to cut the heat off and allow this to steep and cool, which means we're just gonna let it sit before we strain it, just so it can absorb those flavors. We've got our syrup here. I'm gonna go ahead and strain that. Okay, so our syrup is strained and cooled, and that's what it's gonna look like. Now you can add this in your drinks, desserts, whatever you like. So first you're gonna get you a nice chilled glass here. Want to add 2 teaspoons of your Javy Coffee Concentrate. And then you'll want to add some water. That's optional as well if you want to put a little bit of water in there. You don't have to, but I do. So we'll add some water. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of our lavender syrup. I'm going to add a little bit of white chocolate mocha creamer. Then we add oat milk. Add some ice in there. With some whipped cream. A little bit more syrup. And then this is your final product. Yum. Follow me for more quick and easy recipes like this.